It absolutely is a special day. We've been waiting for this a long time. Not only is it our grand reopening and the new branding of the One Fire Casino, but it's our 25th anniversary. So we're really excited to do a lot of special promotions tonight and really just showcase the property. We're extremely proud of it, and our team here at the One Fire Casino has just done a tremendous job to get this prepared for today. This is really Creek Nation's second opportunity to rebrand a facility. Obviously, our mother property, River Spirit, was the first one to be branded outside of just calling Creek Nation Casino Tulsa or Creek Nation Casino Okmulgee. So when we did that, we took the opportunity to really kind of piggyback on that and add a new culture to it. And again, we did that by calling it One Fire and bringing in a lot of the fire, earth, and wind concepts to the design, which I-5 Manufacturing Design helped us do along this to really make this project happen.
Well, we wanted a totally different look, and that's exactly what we got. We wanted to bring in the tribal theme and let everybody know that it is a Native American casino and it belongs to the Creek Nation. We're very proud of especially the light fixtures. Travis and I both went to the council house and took pictures, and we wanted the clans represented. The bottom of the light fixtures are the shields that we saw there, and the Council Oak Cafe. Of course, the oak tree is, Creek Nation. So we wanted everything to blend well and make the nation proud.
We are an entertainment industry, and that's the way that we view ourselves, and so we want to incorporate those elements. We want to tell a story. We want them to feel invited. We want them to feel welcome when they come into our properties and enjoy themselves. And so we did incorporate a lot of that storytelling. Again, the fire, the people of the One Fire, that's the Muscogee people, and so we want to really drive that symbolism home and that culture, the clans. We want to represent and honor our heritage, and so that's why we drew those into the property. So I think that's one thing that you'll see when you come into the property, is that it's not just a facelift, but it's an overall change, even down to our machines. We've changed the bases, we've changed the chairs, and we've changed the game titles. A lot of new machines that are really new to Oklahoma in itself. We were the first ones to get the new Wheel of Fortune gate in. That is definitely a big draw for us to have that name, Wheel of Fortune, for us. The actual chandeliers that are up there and the fire sculpture that's in the deal actually represents the earth, the wind, and the fire all into one. So we're trying to really drive that Mother Earth feeling home and really get that concept into there.
You guys aren't done renovating, in fact.
We're not done.
There's all kinds of ideas that could
Absolutely
be coming into fruition.
This is just getting the ball rolling.
Yeah.
Once we get started now, we're not stopping. We're going to keep taking it up. So the sky's the limit, really, with us. We really want to incorporate that full entertainment package for everybody. So.